Okay, folks, I got my curve line absolute done, so I just want to, excuse me, roll through it a little bit. And you'll see that with curve lines, like not every single line is curved. There's going to be some straight lines and some curve lines. The setup lines are all going to be the same. So absolute coordinates, straight line, feed rate of 9, spindle 3000, tool change, 1/8 inch end mill. Turn the spindle on and go rapid to your hover spot. Now my hover spot for this is a little different than last time. It's those are the coordinates of my hover spot, and then because I'm in absolute, I'm going to tell it exactly how far to go down into the material. And then this stuff. So instead of I's and J's, you want to use radii for absolute coordinates, and the radius I found for my letters, they're all what would that be? 5/16 of an inch? Oh my gosh. So R.3125 for all these I's and J's. And I guess in relative coordinates, that's when we will say move to this new coordinate relative to this other coordinate. But for absolute, you're just going to say, hey, this is the radius, and do it. Now, I went ahead and did this and verified it, and it came back so bad. It was so bad. It was working on different levels in the Z and all sorts of stuff. So I had to use the NC viewer, I guess what I'm saying, to debug my program and just kind of take the attitude that you're not going to give up. So that's important. The top of my C, I went counterclockwise circular with the radius of 0.3125 to the new coordinate. And then I went straight down to kind of make like a straight edge on my C. And then I finished the bottom of the C with another nice arc. Came out of the material, went to the new plunge spot and plunged. My B required me to make a straight line on top and a straight line down the side. Yeah. So, let's see. Straight line down, I'm sorry. And then, I'm trying to figure out how I did this here now. So, here I am. I go to the new hover spot. I plunge down. Then I go way down to make the long side of my B, and then I go over a little bit, and then make the arc for the B. And I found that with the setup here on the sheet, that my B was just going to look a little whack, and that's fine. I can live with that. It looks a lot better than when I first verified it. So I had to go through and verify 5, 6, 7 times, changing little things, and I edited it right in NC Viewer, which I would recommend you do as well. Here's how it turned out. Got the C to the B to the C, and if I want to rewind everything, I can go step by step and kind of just follow the path around. So there's my plunge, there's my first arc, straight line, second arc, pull it out, go to the straight line to the next place, straight line all the way down, straight line over. Here comes an arc, straight line, straight up, straight line, next arc, pull it out. Oh, I had to go back and finish off the top of the B. Then pull it out, go to your new spot, drop in, arc, straight line, arc, pull out, tool change, end of program, game over. So I would just assume that your stuff isn't going to work out the first time, and just be patient and use this editing tab over here, the browser, to edit your code and kind of go step by step and try to determine what went wrong and try to fix it. I actually had to, this C was all messed up, and I could not figure out why this C was messed up when this C was just fine. And so what I did eventually, after going through it again and again, was just copy the code for this C to where this C's code was up here, and then change a couple of the coordinate values and verified, and it worked out fine. So don't give up. Keep trying, and this is paying your dues, okay? So thanks.